Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Bird here. This is just a quick video to show you how to add a line of best fit to your GeoGebra scatter plot that you've plotted, and how to find the line of best fit equation using both GeoGebra and also your scientific calculator. Okay. So I've just made up some data here, and you can see that those points have plotted over here. So next what I want to do is I want to go to Tools, and I'm just going to scroll down to, here, Select Objects, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle around all my points. So it's highlighting them all together. Then you'll see just above here there's an option that says Best Fit Line. That's the same as a regression line. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to plot the line of best fit or the regression line through my data. Alright, so now that I've done that, if I click on Algebra, it has actually worked out the formula for my line of best fit. So y equals 0.1x plus 4.9. Okay, so that's how you put the line of best fit on your scatter plot and see what the equation of that line is. Now I'm going to show you how to do it using your scientific calculator. This is the equation part. Alright, so I'm going to get that table back up. I've got my calculator here. We need to be in stat mode, so if you haven't put it already, you press mode 2 for stat. Now this time we want option 2. We're not working with frequency anymore. Frequency is option 1. We're working with bivariate data now. So we want option 2. And you can see we've got frequency column here. So let's get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's press Shift, Setup, down. It was 3 for stat. And we want to switch the frequency off now. And now that column is gone. Alright, so now I'm going to put my data in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to go to my Y column and put that data in. 4, 7, 3, 8, 4. Okay, remember once you've put your data in, we press AC. And then I'll just move this up a bit so you can see. We're going to press Shift 1. Now, last time we looked under var for variables for our mean and standard deviation. Today we're looking for a regression line, so we're going to look under reg, so that's number 5. Now, we can see here we've got some information here. We've got number 1 is A and number 2 is B. Now, with our regression line, the equation is in the form y equal bx plus a. So b is the gradient and a is the y-intercept. Okay, so if I put 2 first, this will give me my gradient, and equals, it's 0.1. Now, if we have a quick look back here, the gradient of the line was 0.1. Alright, if we want to now find the y-intercept or the a value, Shift, Stat again, back into reg. This time we're going to press 1 for a. And then equals, and it's 4.9. So you would write down as your equation for the line, y equals 0.1x plus 4.9. So remember, it's the b first, then the a, which is a little bit counterintuitive, but we put the b first, then the a. Alright, so hopefully that will help you to do exercise 10F in today's lesson, and I will look forward to seeing you guys again next week.